Hello everyone, it's Deb here with Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More. So recently I was approached by BeeBeeCraft and asked if I wanted to participate in their YouTube program. What it is you are able to select several items totaling not more than $40 US, and then they provide them to you at no cost, and then you just have to, in exchange, kind of promote them basically by providing the links to their website and to the items, which I'm going to show you. This is only one, and then also doing the unboxing video, which is this, as well as 2 process tutorial project share type videos, and you have up to 2 months to do that. So I did definitely agree with that. I'm going to try and do those videos in the next 2 weeks, one a week after this one. So hopefully you'll enjoy them. And I found that the prices were reasonable. They were having a sale, although for the $40 amount I had to select the items pre-sale, which makes sense. Pre-sale price. There was so many things. My cart was like, 2 pages long, and I had to narrow it down to 4 to get it below the amount. So I did, but they have a lot of wonderful products. So anyway, the first thing I selected was some 304 stainless steel head pins. They come in this pack of, let's see, 200 pieces, so I think 100 each of what they call the golden, and then these are the stainless steel, this sort of a gray. They're not as bright of a silver as I thought, but they're stainless steel, so they shouldn't tarnish any further, and they're probably very strong. Let's see, because they're stainless steel. Now they're 40 millimeter in length. And for those of you that don't know metric as well, like I don't really, that is about, I think it's roughly 2 inches. Nope, 1.5 inches. It's 1.5 inches long, so 40 millimeter equal about 1.5 inches. So I'm always in need of the head pins, and I like the ball ones sometimes. So I'm sure I can use these for a number of projects. And I'm going to have the links down below. And the brand on these were PandaHall Elite. And here's the item number, but I'll put it down in the description below. STAS-P-H-O-O-O-1-16. So 1.5 inches is a good length. I don't prefer to go less than that. I actually prefer 2 inch, but which I guess would be their 50 millimeter. Forgive the noise in the background if you hear it. That's my window air conditioner. So that was the first thing. Then I'm going to kind of go out of order, and those were $8.99 for 200 straight head pins in 304 stainless steel with the ball end. The ball end makes them more expensive always, even here in the States and shops. Now these beads are, the brand is ARRICRAFT, and they're called Natural Maifanite, MAIFANITE / Maifan Stone. They're 6 millimeter rounds, and I want to say it's about a 15-inch strand. It really doesn't, well, it looks like 16-inch strand to me. Let's just see. This is 12. Yeah, it's about a 15-inch strand. So that's a lot of beads, and this was $5.49 for a gemstone. And what caught my eye is on the picture on the screen in the website, they had some unusual markings on them. Like there's one that has a little bit of red, so they're like a tan or grayish tan with some red and gray markings in them. Some more than others. That one has a lot of red in it. So I thought they were unusual, and I'd never heard of that stone before. So, I always have to get something different. So I did get those, and thought I'd give them a try. And I'm sure, because they're rounds, I can make any number of things with them. And then the next thing is, so that's Maifanite. They were $5.49. And I'll give you the item code down below. This next thing is a PandaHall Elite brand again. They are they call them Rondelle, but they're actually a square dell. They're multicolor 6x3mm grade AAA brass rhinestone spacers, and they're in a silver tone. And they were $9.39 for, I don't remember how many you get, 50 for 50. These tend to be a little on the pricey side everywhere, actually. The square ones I think tend to be a little more than the rounds even. But I liked all the different colors, and I make a certain earring with cube beads that I'll probably use most of these for. But let's see what the colors are. We have a green and a really pretty blue. It's almost like a turquoise blue. It's coming actually a little more turquoise there than what I'm seeing, but it is sort of a turquoise. And then this one is a darker blue, or yeah, it looks dark. It almost looks purple to me. Boy, the lighting. No, I think it's dark blue. So that's dark blue, and this one's more turquoise. Pretty, right? I could even just see stacking them up. Let's see, I know there's some red ones as well. So you don't see too many of these in, that's red also. I thought it was more yellow. And then there's like this topazy color. Really pretty. Sparkly. Sparkle, sparkle. So the 3mm is the depth this way, and then the 6mm is the square size. They're really nice for lots of different purposes. I think that's most of the colors. Yeah. So 50 pieces. I don't know if there's 10 of each of 5 colors or what. I'll figure that out later. But really, I thought there was a purple. Maybe this is that purple? Nope. Or is that dark green or black? That might be. I can't tell. Can you? I think it's black. Anyway, that one was my third item, and I have one more. Let me just get these back in the bag real quick so I don't lose them. My kitty decided to join me up here, so I don't want to drop them and have her accidentally eat one or bat it around and I'll never see it again. Till I go to clean and my vacuum goes, eeks! Anyway, they're beautiful. I love those. And then the last thing I couldn't pass up, the brand is NBEADS. It had plastic wrap around this. It had, you know, this was closed, and then plastic wrap. Here's the number GNB001-10. These are 120 piece turquoise beads, 8mm natural African, dyed and something heated, and these were $14.59. They come in a jar like this, and they're gorgeous. You know, I love turquoise, and this is African turquoise, but it's a bluer. It's bluer than now some African turquoise is actually a jasper, but it's a green and brown color. I don't know if this is a jasper or real turquoise. It's labeled as turquoise, so I'm going with that. And these are gorgeous. I love them, love them, love them. I'm a turquoise fanatic. So I was super happy to get these. And for 120 pieces for turquoise, I paid well, it would cost $14.79 unless they're on sale. They appear to be really good quality for gemstone beads. I'm not seeing, I mean, I see one or two little flat, like that one has a little flat spot, but you know what? That's pretty normal, and to me, it looks like the majority of them are nice and round. You get a little bit of variation in size, like some of them are a tiny bit bigger than some of the others, and vice versa. Those are gorgeous. I love them. And maybe they'll even go with these. What do you think? I think so, because this almost looks like a wood. So I think I'll combine those and make something with that, and then I'll probably use the head pins, you know, for earrings or whatever. I might use these in a separate way, not with these other beads. So that's my initial thinking. I got 200 pieces straight head pins in 1.5 inch with the balls on the end in golden and stainless steel. And the spacers that I love, the squared L spacers. And like I said, and these Natural Maifanite or Maifan Stone 6mm, and then the 8mm Turquoise. Love, love. I'm happy with everything that I got, and I can't wait to play with them. You know, they have so many products on the website. It really was hard for me to choose, but I finally, after like a day, was able to narrow it down to these. So thank you, Lisa, actually at BeeBeeCraft, for allowing me to participate in your program. And within the next week, I should have, I'd be ready to design with you and make something, okay? And I will have, let's see, I think there's a discount. Let me just check. Yes, there will be a $5 off any order over $40 coupon code down below in my description, and that will be good till June 2nd, 2024. I will put all that information also down below, and right at the end here I'm going to put a little screen of how, if you're interested in participating, how you can contact them and see if you can get in on the program as well. So that's it for now. Thank you so much, BeeBeeCraft, and thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.